So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a WestJet Rewards Mastercard here on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right, press on More, scroll down to where it says Products, and then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, I want you to press on Credit Cards. That is the fourth option down from the top. Once you're on the credit cards page, the simplest way to kind of filter for a WestJet Rewards Mastercard would be at the top here to where it says Travel. You can also slide this bar to the top right and press on All Cards. But if you're looking for WestJet cards in specific, I would just press on the Travel button right here. So once you're on the travel page, if you were to scroll down a little bit, this one right here, WestJet RBC World Elite Mastercard. And if you press on View Card right here, you can actually view the annual fee. You can view the offer that is currently available, the purchase interest rate, the cash advance interest rate, the card highlights as well, so what kind of comes with the cards, as well as the rewards and benefits right here. So there's also some more options right here, the minimum income requirements, and if all looks good, you can press on Apply Now and then go through the process that way. So that's how you guys can open up a WestJet RBC World Elite Mastercard using the RBC Mobile application. Now, I do believe, there's this one as well, the WestJet RBC Mastercard as well. So once again, if you were to go ahead and press on View Card, you can see the annual fee, the purchase rate, etc., the card highlights right here, the rewards and benefits, as well as some other stuff. So if all looks good for that as well, you can press on Apply Now and go through the steps that way. So once again, two different options here. There's the RBC or WestJet RBC World Elite Mastercard. There is also the WestJet RBC Mastercard right here, and I do believe that is it. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for a WestJet Rewards Mastercard on the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.